This is Papercraft Essentials magazine. This is issue 194. Isn't that an amazing number? Now, I always like to get to the extra goodie that's included with the magazine because I think that's just so much fun. This it's called the Perfect Fit, and it's a little box, pretty foiling on the front, but inside there are several things. These are die-cut pieces. You just pop them out, and there's lots of messages as well as the puzzles. That's the Perfect Fit. There's also, let's see, this is 2 different sheets in 2 different color combinations, so that's fun. Then there's also puzzle pieces that are interlocked, so that if you want to use these and glue pieces to it or make your own. Then there are some papers that you can use for the backing or just to finish off your projects. And then there's also some stamps. So these are really sweet. We Just Fit, Love You to Pieces, Miss Me, Anniversary, Together, Better Friend. And there's also about 100 of the foam squares. So that's all nice. So everything is packaged together, and that is very nice. A very different look. And I think that's very fun. Now, here is the magazine. So let's take a look inside and see just what the design team has done. And we'll start here. I started here because we do have the charming channels from Christina Griffin's, the card making magic designer. I just want to point that out. And then we're going to get into this. Now this is they call it the crafting corner, and it's just some ideas of using some different things. So again, very simple cards, but a great look. So flowers and some stamps, or you could use dazzles, whatever you have, but just a really nice look. And then down here, they're telling you that you can go to a link and get some more ideas too. So that's always nice. And we're going to go further in. And this is how to create a negative stencil background. So again, step by step here, and then showing some examples of how you might use that after you create it. Here are some more examples. So it's giving you a very kind of modeled background. And this is doing an embossed resist watercolor background. So nice to see those techniques, and nice to have the step-by-steps with them. Now this is it's Tea Time Edge It. This is a set that we've also had because we do get many things. This happens to be from Hunky Dory, and we just buy everything they have. Now, this is a cut out and keep, as you can read. So this is a little piece, and it comes within the magazine. If you want to tear it out, you can. There are 20 projects, as you can see. Let me just flip through them. So all of these are using that packet, the Perfect Fit packet, and you can see, and I thought it was really clever. Love You to Pieces. This is for a wedding, and just having those pieces, 2 pieces together on the front. Happy Engagement. So it's really clever. We Just Fit. Isn't that just charming? Just a plain one with 2 on each side. Here is Love You to Pieces. I'm lucky to have you as a friend. There's a Happy Engagement, your Perfect Fit. And you can see Love You to Pieces, again, another look, Special Someone, Wonderful Friend. So more things than, quite frankly, I would have thought of off the top of my head. This is I'm So Lucky to Call You a Friend, with them just tucked in, some flowers. And here we go. This is, again, some other ideas. Doing a little wreath. If you want to do that, that works. And you know, we do have our big chipboard pieces that you might want to do something like that on it. So that's an idea. These are called bold backgrounds, and this is on a beginner's guide. And so you can do rotating the stencil. Now we've seen that with the cutting edge stencils that we carry, but this is doing some different things. And so it's just giving you another step of how you can make your stencils go further, and that's, you know, who doesn't like that? So here you can see step by step how to do them, just rotating them or flipping them or offsetting them. It works really well. And here we go with a rainbow connection. So how to get more from your negative die cuts. So that's the piece that's left after you've die cut out. So that's a nice deal. I like the rainbow look, it's very pretty. And the last one I wanted to show you is more of the rainbow, just really fun and bright and pretty. And then here is a rainbow scene and step-by-step photos. So that's nice. So the perfect fit with all of those pieces to completely make the projects that you've seen. Again, Papercraft Essentials issue 194. It's in the warehouse and it is an exclusive here at paperwishes.com.